Well, let's solve one of those age-old problems. It's the end of the week, you're out of grocery money, but you have a refrigerator full of leftovers. What are we going to make for dinner? Come join me in the kitchen and I'll show you how we're going to turn this into a delicious brunch for dinner. Grab your spoon, grab your chair, come on in, come cook with me this asparagus and ham strata. It's the end of the week and all that's in the fridge is leftovers, and who wants leftovers tonight? We just had leftovers last night, so let's see if I can help us stretch our budget a little bit, and let's make brunch for dinner. So I'm putting it together this morning because a strata wants a little bit of time to meld everything together before you cook it. And so instead of using a glass pan, because I worry about glass pans going direct from the refrigerator all day into the oven, I went ahead and got out one of our, we usually use these for cooking in the grill to take things back and forth. So I've got our little pan here, and we are gonna make a strata. Are you ready? Cool. I'm Wendy, your Kitchen Chaos Coordinator. The recipe for this is down below. Don't you dare go get a notepad or paper. I want you to sit back, relax, and make this strata with me. Who loves brunch for dinner? We all do. We all do. All right, so I have everything else laid out for us, but the one thing that we want to do is take 2 cups of milk and 6 eggs, and let's see, half a teaspoon of ground mustard, which I'm not doing a very good job getting it level, but that's okay. We'll add that in, and then we need half a teaspoon of pepper. So I have 1 teaspoon, so I'm just going to use half of it, obviously. And then a half a teaspoon of salt. And we're just going to whisk this together, and then we'll set this aside once we get everything all mixed together, all layered out. So a strata is really fun. It's a bread layer with meats and veggies, and then you just usually pour over eggs and this egg and milk mixture. Let it sit for at least 6 hours. It's so much, well, I think you can do 2 hours. You can do 2 hours, but it's gonna be so much better if you can do up to overnight. So even if you're looking the night before and like, what are we having for dinner? Because I don't see anything in the fridge and I am not going to the grocery store. You can just pull out all of your leftovers and heck, make it brunch for dinner. All right, so I'm just whisking this up. Again, 6 eggs, 2 cups of milk. I'm not being very clean. There we go. All right, I think all the eggs are mixed in. So let's set this to the side. We'll get our pan. I need to grease this pan, so I'm just going to use the spray, baking spray. So let me go grab that. I'll be right back. This is one of my favorite things to do because it pulls out things that are just left from the week in your refrigerator, and it allows you to make a warm meal for your family. That's brand new. This is brand new. So what do I have picked out from my fridge tonight? I have 1.5 cups of cubed ham. That's just lunch meat ham that we have. I shredded a brick of cheese, so I've got 8 ounces of cheese here. You need, and again, the recipe is always in the bottom for you, so don't worry about this. I'm just telling you what I have. This is 6 cups cubed day-old bread. So, you know, your bread's going bad, it's getting a little stale, getting a little hard. We're gonna use it all. There will be no waste. This is perfect. How about that leftover asparagus that you have in there? This is a cup of asparagus that's been chopped up. And then I also had some leftover mushrooms from our hunter's beef recipe from earlier. So we need to use this up too. So let's put it all together. So we want to layer in our pan the bread, the cheese, the ham, the mushrooms. We're gonna make layers of it, and then we're gonna pour the milk mixture, the milk and egg mixture over the top. So we should get at least 2 layers going here. All right, layer 1. We'll use half the cheese. We'll use half of the ham. We'll use half of these mushrooms. And we'll use half of the asparagus, and then we'll start it all over again. All right, back with the bread. The rest of the cheese. The rest of the ham. The mushrooms. I did rinse these off, so they're sticking to the paper towel. Hold on. There we go. All right. And the rest of the asparagus. I mean, come on, how easy is this? You're doing this before you're heading out to work, right? This is how easy this is. You're just gonna take the egg and milk mixture and pour it right over the top. Just giving it one more stir. Pour right over the top. That's it. Now we're going to cover this. Again, the least amount of time is 2 hours. So if you get home, picking the kids up from school, you can run this real quick, throw it in the fridge until, you know, dinner time. But otherwise, it's best overnight. So anywhere between 2 hours and overnight. For us, I'm leaving this, we'll probably be home. I'm probably going to leave this about 6 to 8 hours, and then we'll cook it for us. So I'm off to run my errands today, and this is going to commiserate and do all its good stuff while I'm gone. So when I get back, I'll show you. We'll plop it in the oven, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. Perfect. All right, guys, thanks for this morning. We'll see you later this afternoon. All right, well, we are home. It is about 10 after 4, so I have the oven preheating to 350, and the strata needs to go in now for almost an hour, so 40 to 50 minutes. So I'll pull it out, I'll show you what it looks like, and then we're gonna throw it in the oven, and I'll come back as soon as it's done. Okay, we'll just give you a sneaky peeky here. This cover's gonna come off, so you're gonna bake it uncovered. We're just gonna take it off together. Look at that. Look at all those lovely veggies. Oh my goodness. Woohoo! All right, let's get her in the oven. Will you take a look at that? Delicious. Oh my gosh. The asparagus and the ham with the cheese. Incredible. Cannot wait to dig into this. This is going to take about 5 minutes to set up. We want to leave it 5 minutes just to let everything come back together. And then I will plate it and meet you out at the table. So see you in 5. Well, thank you for being with us today. We were so pumped about being able to pull everything out of the refrigerator that was a leftover, and look at us. We have created a whole meal, and who's to say brunch for dinner? That's a good thing. It's all good. All good. Thank you so much for being with us. Thank you for every like, for every subscribe, for every share. Remember, likes just tell YouTube that this is a decent video and other people might want to watch it. Subscribe gives me a little more credit and says, hey, Wendy's pretty cool to watch. Maybe you want to send her channel out to other people. So it doesn't cost you anything. And remember, there are more than half of you that watch me but don't subscribe. So if you haven't, would you mind thinking about it? Give us a shout. Give us a good old subscribe. That would make me so happy. All right. Well, you stay tuned for a Zen moment. I'm going to dig into Strata, and I'll send hubby out for his piece as well. Have a great evening, and we'll talk to you next time. Have a good night. Bye.